Guys, join me as I unbox my treasure tress goodie bag. Let me show you. Actually, they are affiliated with Palmer's skincare. Treasure Tress is a hair brand. They deal on natural hair, especially for black people who don't know how to take care of their hair, who have flakiness, itchiness. I have all these things. And when I saw this advert, I hopped on it and I decided to go for the event. And you know, it was really an entertaining one and it was lovely. Everybody was warm, welcoming, you know, like everybody's interested in knowing your problems and even getting to know you. And it was very interesting because I got to meet certain people. And you know, some YouTubers were there, like 2 YouTubers that do they do this podcast called To My Sisters, Courtney and a Fair Lady. So I met them and honestly it was a very nice event. So I decided to keep this box because I have to make sure that I unbox it in your front. You can always place an order and they bring it to your doorstep. That's if you're in the United Kingdom. I don't know about worldwide, but maybe you can reach them out on your Instagram. Probably they should have a way of, you know, sending things across. So guys, I love this. I've got myself a flask. So guys, if you have questions on natural hair, because the truth is that I'm transitioning, because when I relax my hair, the hair color or my hair color gets lighter. When my new hair start growing, I start seeing that there is a clear color difference. And so I have decided to at least transition for now and maybe review the hair products I'm using, you know, just to see the difference, because I might still relax my hair, but I think I want to have a hair routine first. We're giving this is a biotin pack from Palmer's, and I think it strengthens the hair and, you know, make sure that you don't lose hair, you know, like length retention. That's basically it. I don't know if you're seeing this. I loved it. I had to keep this package to open it in your presence. Isn't that sweet? I'm going to compile the videos of when I went, you know, how I did it and the events. Basically, it was lovely. You should come. And now we have a jumper. This is very beautiful. I think I should use it as my finance book. And they gave us something like this treasure tress. I think it should be a complimentary card or something, but it has more information about them. Actually, it looks like an ATM card, you know, but this is more like information card. If you have any question, if you want to reach out to them, this is actually how you can get to them. Here comes the goodie bag. Guys, I don't know if you guys are seeing this thing, but you know, let me as you can see, it's sealed, so I'm struggling to open it. Yeah, got it. See, I'm struggling. Wow. Actually, we have 5 products. Ooh. So basically, because there is this, it's like an affiliation with Palmer's for them to host this event. Everything inside here is Palmer's, okay? And this is their length retention leave-in conditioner, Palmer's. And this Palmer's conditioner like I said, basically it's for blacks and those who have like, you know, blacks with their natural hair. Even if you don't have a natural hair, you want to keep your hair healthy. We learned a lot about dry scalp, length retention, and this is the shampoo. Length retention. Trimming your hair is not good to trim your hair by yourself. Okay, you have to go to an expert. If not, you might end up damaging your hair. Then this is the extra body oil, like, you know, for the body. You know, Palmer's, they deal more on skincare. Now they are in hair. This is a big brand, so this is like another shampoo. So basically everything here is like 5 products. 5 products. So this is it for free. You know, I wish I can be going for these events like every day. So guys, that's basically it. I'm going to put all the footage together, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to do hair products or hair care, or if you want maybe information about living in the UK, work, you know, anything. Just let me know. I got you. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll surely see you in the next video. Bye.
All our minds, you put the work in, we got some work, man.